Hello friends, this is quite an interesting question on chess. Instead of a normal 8 by 8 chessboard in the country of Colombiana, chess is played on a 5 by 5 chessboard, which you can see in the solution. This is a 5 by 5 chessboard with the columns are marked A, B, C, D, E and the rows are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, a knight, जिसे हिंदी में घोड़ा बोलते हैं, however, a knight moves in the normal way, जो ढाई चाल होती है उनकी, in which one move comprises moving 2 squares horizontally and 1 square vertically, और 2 squares vertically and then 1 square horizontally, जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में ढाई चाल बोलते हैं घोड़े की, वो सेम है. A knight, knight का मतलब घोड़ा जो चेस में होता है. A knight is placed at one of the corners of the Colombiana chessboard. In how many ways can it reach the diagonally opposite corner in just 4 moves? So this is a reasoning question basically. So the chessboard is A, B, C, D, E are the columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the rows. Let us start with A5 where K is written. A5. Let us say that the ghoda or knight is at A5. Now the first step, the first move that it will make will be either to B3 or C4, right? Because घोड़ा ढाई चाल चलता है चेस में, या 2 वर्टिकल और 1 हॉरिजॉन्टल या 2 हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल. तो पहली चाल जो इस घोड़े की होगी वो A5 से B3 या C4 में जाएगी. और लास्ट में in the end the horse or the knight is at E1. So prior to E1, again you reverse the 2.5 steps. So he has to be at either C2 or D3. Now this is the main step in this problem, that the first step of the knight will be from A5 to B3 or C4, and the last step of the knight will be from C2 or D3 to E1. Now between the two dots and the two crosses, we have to see in how many ways the knight can move from any of the dots to any of the crosses in 2 moves. We have to see that how the knight can move from any of the dots to any of the crosses in exactly 2 moves. So then we can say that the knight is moving from A5 to E1 in 4 moves, because first move will be from K to B3 or C4, and the last move will be from C2 or D3 to E1. So in between these two, the positions have to be changed from B3 or C4 to C2 or D3 in 2 moves. Now we take the case 1, the first case, from C4 to, he can go from B3, from B3 to C2 in 2 moves by going to A1 first and then to C2. From B3 the knight can go to A1 in one move, and then from A1 to C2 in another step. So that is one way of going. Similarly, you can find out all the different steps which are enumerated here. So I am just keeping this on for you so that you can see all the cases. Case 1, there are 2 ways. That is, first move is C4 and third move is D3. From C4 to D3 he can go in 2 moves in 2 ways, right? Similarly, from C4, case 2, if you look at, from C4 to C2, from C4 to C2 he can go in 2 ways in 2 moves. Likewise, if you see more options, these are the other cases. So if you draw the diagram properly and then try these moves, you will be able to get it. And so finally we get total of 8 moves in which the knight can go from one corner to the other corner.